Do you like camping, or do you live someplace like this in Florida where we are inclined to have some crazy weather and occasional power outages? You can use it for pretty much any solar generator that's out there. Let me show you some of the connectors that it actually comes with. While I do that, I'm going to tell you it is IP66 waterproof. You can network it with more panels to obviously increase the power. More power. Look at all these different connectors it comes with. Honestly, you could really hook it up with pretty much any brand of solar connector. Let me just show you the setup real quick. Now, obviously, I am saying for me, it is more important so we have an RV where when we're not around here hanging out with these crazy old storms in Florida, we like to go RVing. And if you're gonna go and you're gonna do a little boondocking, how nice is this to be able to hook up, even if you're not boondocking, many RV campsites are gonna have quiet hours, let's say at 10 o'clock, and you're gonna need a battery backup. So how great is this? You could put the solar generator outside with, I'm gonna try with 2 of these, charge it up during the day, and then at night we can, run whatever the heck we want all night, like as if we were living in the city, but in the RV. I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's go check it out and see how well it works.
So it was so easy to set this up. You just walk it out, put it down. It takes 2 seconds to set up these solar panels. The instructions are great, and they have all the adapter wires. Really only goes together one way. I plugged it in, and instantly I was supplying about 80 watts of power back to the unit. As you can see, it was really mostly cloudy. Every once in a while, the sun would pop its head out. All right, as you can see, we are at 27%. with 80 watts in from these 2 sets of panels.
I find it a little ironic that I am melting out here in the southern Florida sun, and this would be the perfect time to be using these solar panels, kind of like an oxymoron there. I hope this video has been helpful. Before I get to before I conclude it, can you please subscribe, give this video a like, drop a comment below. What did you think of it? What do you want to know? Did it something I missed, something you would like me to add? These panels are absolutely off the hook amazing. I've used them for a couple days now. Obviously wasn't in a survival thing, but it was just testing the equipment out, and it was awesome. This stuff is so light, so easy to use. It comes with all of the connectors, makes it super easy to connect it to the solar generator, to each other if you're gonna put them in series. Really, really about as easy as it can be to use. They worked perfectly. Not sure what else you could want me to say about them other than they work perfectly, easy to use, and they're light. Seems like everything you could want out of a solar panel. So I'm gonna say I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time. I'm going to get a soda. It's hot out here.